At Renew, our mesh comes in a wide range of sizes: 100mm flexi, 150mm flexi, 200mm flexi and 200mm heavy duty. All come in 30-meter rolls, but the 200mm can also be provided in 40-meter rolls, designed to suit every roof type and profile. We've also got a wide range of fixing options. There's our C-clip, which is a simple friction fit. Then there's the C-clip Mark II, which adds a screw mechanical fixing on top of the friction fit. And we've just introduced the G-clip. That's made from anodized aluminium, also with a mechanical fixing, and it comes with a 12-year warranty.